Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download embedded videos from any website. Without further delay, let's dive into the video. In this example, I'm showing you how to download a video from a free courses website without logging in or using any extensions. So, let's get started. Step 1. Press F12 on your keyboard to open Inspect Element. Or you can simply right-click on the page and click on Inspect. Now, go to the Network tab and locate the Media section. Click on it. After that, play the video. If you don't see any files loading, just refresh the page. And replay the video. Now, you should see the files loading. Once all the files have finished loading, right-click on the last file and select Open in New tab. After that, the video will open in a new tab. From here, you can right-click the video and select Save Video As to save it to your PC. Then, click Save. The video will be saved to your PC. To confirm the download, open the folder where you saved the video and play it. That's it! You've successfully learned how to download embedded videos using Inspect Element. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips like this.